Cafe Byron. Yeah, so it's because I will not stop to drink coffee. I'm not going to stop. You might ask some snack and I don't have enough money for you. Mamaya din maglakad kami. Hinihintay ko lang si Habi. Nagbook muna siya ng car. Maganda maglakad, sis. Ngayon naglakad din kami nung naka-live ako nung Friday, naglakad kami dun sa may vineyard sa farm ng may part lang, hindi lahat yun may part na farm ng giran ko. Naglakad kami doon, nag-live ako doon, kaya lang hindi ako makapag-grade ng mga viewers kasi nandun yung asawa ko patago yung live ko. Life journey, yes, thank you so much for coming. I will end soon also. I'm going back to my way. Ano daw? Guys, thank you for your time And ko na rin para makapag-support sa iba. 1 hour lang. Thank you for your time. There is barbecue area also there. Here this way. Before I will end, I will bring you there. So we can bring kids here because it's shallow. Look, yeah, thank you. So it's very shallow here. I'll just show you the barbecue area. And it's full of people here. If you plan to come here to have picnic, you have to be here earlier because it's always full. Yan. You can leave your daughter there, your kids there. They can swim, they can play sand. And it's perfect. It's really for family. Yan. This is perfect place for the children. They can play sand. You can take some photo shoot also. Yeah, summer I'm lying with bikini, but not here because I don't want the students see me. Yeah, this is the barbecue area. Yeah, they have you just bring your charcoal. They have everything here. You just wash this metal, and you can use it. And bring your water, and the air is very fresh here during summer. It's nice to sit on the stone, and I'm sure there is no snake here because it's not like on the other part there, somewhere there. It's really dangerous. Ayan na. So, doon, malapit doon sa yellow na building, malapit lang doon ang work ko. Parang yung umuusok yata. Ayan yung sa may umuusok doon, banda. Parang hindi ko ay, sa katabi niya. Yung umuusok na yun, sa katabi niya, doon lang yung school namin. Pagitan ng yellow building at saka yung umuusok. Doon. Tapos, nag-work din ako sa taas niya dati. Pero 2 years lang ako doon. Sarap mag-picnic dyan pag summer. Simple, inaaya ko minsan yung mga kulig ko para mag-picnic. Pag break ko, pumunta kami dito. Salamat sa oras ninyo. I-end ko na. Pwede na tayong visit sa ibang mga live. Mag-support din ako. Give and take, diba? So, support naman tayo. Kaya lang, pag busy ako, wow, ang ganda dyan. Si Sweeney, super ganda. Pero dyan, hindi kami ayaw kong pumunta dito, maraming ahas dyan siguro. Hindi mo alam kung may mga ahas dyan. Dito, mabato dito. Nakakatakot dito.